Hello guys, this is already a cooked crab. We're going to make another meal using these extra crabs, like this one, the arms, which contains a lot of meat. We also need to remove the crab lungs that are feathery lines. And this one on the middle part, which is called Tomalley or crab fats, that is very delicious. We're going to add this on this recipe. Now, we are going to separate the crab meat and the shells. And also, we're going to add the crab fat. Let us make sure that there are no shells included. Now, we are going to shred it into smaller pieces. Now, let us chop one onion. This is to add additional flavor. And now we are going to chop the onion leaves. After this, let us put it on a bowl. Then let's add the chopped onion and the onion leaves. Also, the shredded crabs. Now, we are going to add 4 eggs. And then scramble it. Now, let us heat the frying pan and put some oil. Now, let us put 1 scoop of the mixture. Add ground black pepper. Add a pinch of salt. Now let us flip it when it is already golden brown. And flip again when it's already cooked. It is now ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.